Hello ni Ulanji.
Saniba.
Nyela.
Abuba.
Kwa muni yoyin bibo sam kwa yofa ni yomba amba me. Chungni yofa ni yomba amba ba. What is the essence of this work this morning?
Olinga nje bon ba ni ntano woli ngo ebome la muwa ba na bu bon to ni ntanga ngo ni meso bon angwa ni kufila kwe kundu ntano ni men ba chike la u nga ba fan me ale ba bum ti bon angwa ni yole mama nga ba to nyan nje ntan nje men ti alan ale anyumba ni fa. This market is a strategic location in the history. It has played a lot of part in the development of students. Many people produce goods, cassava, gari, they sell here and they pay school fees to students, even right at the university. So if we cannot take care of what feeds us, it means we are biting the fingers that fed us.
What do you have to say to other BANSAs who have not joined this?
Join us. Don't wait for us to call for you. We are still here. We'll be here till Sunday. You can come after and we'll still come.
All right, thank you.
Small thing.
You can enjoy the beautiful atmosphere here. It's a very cold morning here in Bali. We are there to accompany them to doing this wonderful thing they are doing here. Cleaning the environment.
Speaking to the heart
and
not to the head. Well, they say cleanliness is next to godliness.
That's
and
right.
I think that is why we are here, because we want our dads and moms that are living here in Bali to enjoy a clean environment.
Okay.
That is why the 7 branches of BANSA have come to keep the market clean. We've chosen Tanko Market because we believe that everyone living in Bali and those coming from different parts would always come here and buy or sell. So cleaning the market would everyone will be able to benefit from it.
Okay.